It's John Champion here, and this the voice of Jim Beglin.
Hi John, I can tell you, I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
The teams then, We United against Manchester United. Didn't get the ball there, free kick. He takes the opportunity to shoot. He scores. What a time to score.
That's a dream start for this team, and they'll need to contain their joy a little and focus now on how they're going to follow it up.
He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes, and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
They've gone ahead so early in the game.
Well, I think if they were feeling a little tense and nervous beforehand, that goal will make life a lot easier, provided now they don't just sit back and defend it.
It's come through to him nicely. Could be a chance now. Chance. Maybe now. Oh, yes, he scored. Now back in business.
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten.
He was allowed far too much space.
Yeah, any team will probably score half a dozen like that in any campaign. In front of goal, unmarked. It was a double.
So we resume with the scores back level.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Plays this forward. No, that won't be finding its target. Here's a cross. Puts it away. They really are turning the screw now. The cross was inch perfect. It demanded that finish.
Yeah, his run just gave the defence one problem too many, and he eluded everyone to tuck it away. Excellent header.
He's got two in this game. He's on a hat-trick. They now lead by 1 goal.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Quarter of an hour played. This could be interesting. Nicely fed in.
And there's no doubt about that. That ball through was class, and it really warranted a finish to match.
Now a promising attack from a wide position. Kicked off there. Wants to get this forward. He's attacking down the flank. Still not cleared properly. They're off on the counter. He's got in. No, it's been cut out. An opportunity down the side. No, beaten to it. Midway through this first half. Play has settled into a nice pattern. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. Blatant foul there. There's a possibility here for a shot. And it's directed clear. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. It's on for him. Got it. He's on the ball. Where's he taking it? Sloppy pass, intercepted. Hits it again. They were so nearly punished for their mistake. Missed time challenge. Looked worse than it was. Free kick. And that was a late challenge that brings a yellow. Forward it goes. Can he now find a finish? Half-time is now upon us.
Well, they've been quite limited in their play. It's not really been expansive enough, and I think the fans will just want them to open up a bit more, certainly get a bit more width in their play.
Just one goal separates them, 2-1 on the score sheet. We United against Manchester United. Looking to carve open the defence. Strikes it, and it's a really well-taken goal. A moment of significance for Manchester United. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
They kick off with parity restored.
Oh, look, I love watching games like this when both teams are given everything they've got to try and win it. This is all the makings of a cracker.
Cuts it out. Hits it. Now the chance.
Well, the passing is not quite the problem. They just need better movement if they're going to drag this defence out of position.
Slides it through. No, that wasn't the best of passes. Challenge poor. Foul called. He knocks it in. He has a go. And the rebound. Flag was up. Just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee. And that's a foul. The referee quickly at the scene of the crime. A ball in. It's a volley.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
And now they can attack from here. And that won't be making it through. We've been playing an hour. It's an opportunity, cleared away from danger. Tried to play it through. Now he's ready for a shot. Opportunity for a goal.
But just how wasteful was that?
Looking to thread it through. And the cross is put into a safe position by the quick thinking of the defender. Corner though. He sends it in. They're not quite out of danger yet. Gets possession. That's turning defence into attack. He crosses it in. The team wins another corner. A ball in. Wonderful header. A decent chance wasted.
Well, maybe the tension around this game played a part in that, because he should have put them ahead then.
Here's a ball in. Tries the bicycle kick.
Just as well the defender was on hand to mop up the loose ball.
That is offside. Just when they had a chance to take the lead, or so they thought. A fine display of slick passing. He's got in. Quarter of an hour remaining. This is lovely passing to watch. Just straight offside then. Free kick to the opposition. It's true. It was a good ball in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
There's space on the wing. And he'll shoot here. They've been given a corner. He scuffed his clearance there. He's looking to attack from out wide. Got it. He plays it through. He's latched onto it. Possibility for a shot. And it's taken with some style. And the tables have turned yet again. And no one could deal with the pass. And a great finish to follow too.
Well, it posed such an awkward question. Track the ball or track the run? In the end, they managed neither.
Having completed this turnaround, can they now hold on?
Oh, that is such a big goal, but there's still time for another twist in this.
And there is the final whistle. And the game decided by that amazing goal right at the very